Vandenberg for North Carolina State University Turf Bugs and Rock and Roll. And I'm back here looking for snakes so I can get a little snake oil. Now I know that statement sounds ridiculous, but I hear the term snake oil thrown around a lot, and it's applied to a lot of different products, and I don't necessarily think it's used accurately. Not that it's important to use the phrase snake oil accurately, but snake oil really means a product that has no known value or is known to be fraudulent, that's being marketed more or less as a cure-all. And I hear people sometimes refer to snake oils as perhaps even products that are generic or post-patent products that aren't produced by the basic manufacturer. I hear people say if it's natural or organic, it's a snake oil. So I hear the term thrown around a lot. So the reality is it's really only a snake oil if it's known to be a fraudulent product. But I know we're not getting too particular about how we use that term. Basically, we use it to say a product that we really don't know how good it is. It's you know, just one of those things you add to the tank and you add it. But the reality is, you know, don't throw that term around against a product until you really know. And by that, what I mean is, if there's a product that comes from an organic company, a natural company, from a byproduct, from this or that, it may have some actual value. And the only way you're going to know is there's one of two ways. One is, have there been independent, non-biased tests done on it by perhaps university folks or something like that, where they've tested the product and they say, hey, this is what it can do, this is what it can't do. So you've got some good data or good information from local, from nearby where you live and work, that you know it works. That's fine. Or simply test it yourself. And as I've always said, when you test something, don't go out and spray a whole area and say, well, it did or didn't. You've got to have comparisons where you used it versus where you didn't. Otherwise, you really can't tell this is a benefit versus where I didn't do it. So when we think about products that we really don't know how well they work, or they come from a source that we're not familiar with, see if you can find unbiased data that tests under your conditions whether it works or doesn't, or simply go out and do it yourself. And if you do it, always leave an area untreated where you didn't use that product so you can compare it, because otherwise you really don't know what happened or didn't happen. Hope that helps a little bit. Don't worry about the snake oil terminology. Just if you find a product, you get good data on it, if it works, roll with it. Talk to you later. Thanks.